station of Eagle Broadcasting Corporation celebrates the first anniversary of its program that supports the call center industry. The call center industry is a growing market in the Philippines that provides job opportunity to the Filipinos. In support to the growing industry, DZEC and AM Band of the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation has a program called Call Center Cafe, the first and only call center magazine show on air.
We realized here on the DCEC that we need to have a program which will cater to the needs of those who would like to be call center agents.
July 6, 2009, Call Center Cafe had started to be heard in the airwaves. As months passed by, a 30-minute radio program became 1 hour due to huge demand from its listeners. From Monday to Friday at 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., entertaining voices of Kuya El and Marie fill the air with tips on how to be a certified call center agent. Of course, they also conduct live interviews with call center agents to share their experiences and tips to the listeners. Kuya El had been in the call center industry before he became a radio personality. That's why he understands how hard it is to be qualified for the job.
Since you have your phone interview, you have your one-on-one interview, you also have your panel interview. All of those interviews are so tough, and the thing they're looking for those interviews is how confident are you, and how you speak the language correctly or properly.
Martin Antonio Crisostomo, Executive Director, External Affairs of Business Processing Association of the Philippines, or BPAP, graces their first anniversary.
I saw the format, and it was very, very call center or BPO friendly. And all I wish them is more power and longer, more episodes, and of course, many more jobs that can be communicated and disseminated to our mga kababayans who are just looking for opportunities out there. I want to wish them congratulations from the Business Processing Association of the Philippines.
From all of us here at Convergence, happy first anniversary to the staff of Call Center Cafe, and congratulations! Mike Data, the native